Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wear your makeup under a mask. We are in a season which is really devastating, and I hope you guys are staying safe and observing the necessary protocols to make sure that this virus doesn't spread. Currently in Nigeria, we're no longer on lockdown. Everyone is free to move. So I got some requests on learning how to do makeup under a mask because some people might want to go to church or go anywhere and they would like to still look good under the mask. So we all know when you wear your mask, the mask can actually smudge your makeup and make it lift off. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your makeup so that it will not move under a mask. So you see, I just took off the mask and my makeup is still intact. That is what she wants. So if you guys would like to learn how to do your makeup under a mask so it wouldn't lift off, then keep on watching. If you do not want your makeup to go anywhere, you need to think about how you're prepping your skin. For some people, primer works for them, but for me, I don't really see the difference using primer or not using primer, so I don't even bother sometimes. So I just applied my moisturizer and my argan oil on my skin. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is applying my concealer. I actually got this trick from my DOJA makeup tutorial where I was following it, which I'm going to put a card here so you can check it out if you want. So I'm just going to be applying concealer under my eyes to kind of brighten it up so it wouldn't look too dull. I'm currently using my LA Girl Pro concealer and I'm just going to concentrate this concealer just under my eyes, just kind of brighten it up, and I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend it in. Because you're going to be wearing a mask, you do not want to put too much foundation on your face. You just want to apply the one that is actually okay to cover up your face. So I'm just going to be using this beauty blender and I'm going to be blending the foundation out. So if you notice, I am not applying the foundation directly under my eyes because I already put concealer there, and I also plan on putting more concealer there. So I don't want it to be too cakey. So let's just leave the under eyes for the concealer and blend out the foundation. So guys, can you see my eyeshadow? This is my first time trying out graphic liner, and I actually have a tutorial of it on my TikTok and also my Instagram. So if you guys would like to check it out, please do check it out. This is my first time doing it, so I'm a bit rusty and I don't really know how to do it yet. So I'm still practicing until I get better at it and become a pro. So you should excuse it, the lines are not really smooth. So just wanted to let you guys know. I really love how it turned out though, but I could have done better. Before I go to the next step, I'm going to go back to my setting spray and spray my face. I'm just going to cover my eyes because I don't know if it's going to smudge. So now my face is set, I'm going to go to the next step, which is concealer. You might be asking, why am I adding more setting spray than I normally do on my videos? Well, we want the makeup to sit, we want the makeup to last and not smudge. So setting spray is going to lock everything in so it wouldn't have any space to move. You get what I'm saying? Now I've applied the concealer where I want it to be. I'm just going to let it sit for a while so it can dry down, because when you let your concealer sit for a while, it's going to give you more coverage, it's going to make it last longer, and it's just going to make it easier to blend. So I'm going to be leaving it on for a few seconds or minutes, depends on how I feel, and I'm going to blend it out. Remember to always drench your beauty blender with setting spray so it can lock everything in. While my concealer is drying, I'm just going to use my Nivea Strawberry Shine lip balm. Just going to use that to hydrate my lips because it's a little bit chapped. So I think my concealer is all dried up now, so I'm going to be using the beauty blender to blend it out. always start at the edge, guys. If you watch my highlights and contour video, which I'm going to put a card here, I was really detailed in how to do your skin work and everything, so you should definitely check that out after this video to learn more about highlights, contour, bronzing, everything in between. You can learn a lot, so check it out after this video. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is powder contouring before I set my face. You're wondering, why am I doing powder contour before instead of after? Well, we want our makeup to not move, so I'm applying the powder on top of the foundation because the foundation is a wet base, so the powder is just going to lock into the foundation and really make it last longer. Just contouring to give my face a little bit of depth. I'm going to be doing a light contour today. I don't really want anything too dramatic, so I feel like this step is actually really important. If you don't want your makeup to move, you need to powder your face. As much as you might like the whole concealer contour look, you need to powder your face if you want your makeup to stay in place. So before I powder my face, remember I have wet concealer on top of my skin, so I need to kind of reblend any creases in my eyes because I can see some creases here. So I'm going to use the beauty blender and put everything back so it's going to look smooth. Now those creases are blended, I'm going to be going into my face powder and I'm just going to be applying that on the concealer first to set it. I'm going to be using a very I'm going to be using a very light layer to just set the concealer in place and set my whole face. So now my whole face is set, I can now go on to bake. Baking will actually help your makeup stay in place longer than it will normally do if you don't bake, but I'm not going to say you should bake every day. So I'm just going to be applying the powder really close to my nose. If you have oily nose, this technique will be perfect for you. Your nose is not going to be oily throughout the day. So while my face bakes, you know, goes to the kitchen, cooks and all, I'm going to go do my blush, my highlighter and the rest of my face because those ones don't really need any special technique. You just do it the normal way. If you have your foundation concealer powder on lockdown, you apply it the right way, your makeup is not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to go do my blush, my highlighter off camera, and I'll be right back. So as you already know, we added a lot of powder on the skin, so we want to dial it down, and I'm going to be using the setting spray to do that. And the setting spray also helps your makeup last longer and just keeps it in check. So I'm just going to be applying that on my face. Whew. This is the finished look, guys. I didn't put anything on my lips apart from the lip balm I added earlier because realistically, when you want to wear your matte, you don't want to rub lipstick, which is going to stain it. But I don't have any matte liquid lipstick here with me, but if you have that, that should work. So that is why I didn't bother to apply lipstick, because I don't want the lipstick to stain the marks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I have some videos which I'm going to leave here for you to watch if you're interested in my other videos. Remember to stay safe. I'm wishing you guys all the best. Love you.